times. That's also possible, but that is not the approach that I'm taking. This is not an approach of habit making or repetition. This is an approach of awareness and intentional making of sounds. I just want to kind of point that out first, but I'm going to demonstrate all of this in a moment. The model that we use, which English is it going to be? Well, it's the English of the teacher, in this case, this one. But if the teacher is from any other country in the world, it is that teacher's pronunciation. Like every teacher, we can also use a CD or a cassette. We may have other teachers that come into the classroom. So the students will be exposed to different sounds, different sound systems. However, the model that's used is that of the teacher. So when the teacher uses this chart, the teacher puts his or her own sound onto the symbol. When a Scottish person uses the dictionary, they see these symbols, but they make their Scottish sounds, and the same everywhere else. And when we use this chart, I'm not teaching you the symbols, only using these spaces as reminders of the sounds. And actually, you will learn the symbols very quickly anyway. So this is not an approach which teaches the symbols, but students will quickly learn them, and then they can use it from the dictionary and so on. Okay, the final thing to say is that this approach divides phonology into sounds, here, which we're going to work on now, words, when we join the sounds together, add some rhythm, and we have word stress, and words, and then connected speech. When we join the words together, we have sentence, stress, and we have intonation. What we're going to do today is particularly work on the sounds and a little bit on words and connected speech. And the lesson I'm going to do with you is the same lesson that I would do with any first class, whether they are beginners or intermediate or advanced or native speaker or anybody at all. And that is to put this chart into circulation so that we can use the chart in all further lessons for as many years as the students are studying. Okay. And we can stop from time to time and talk as teacher to teachers. And otherwise, I'll be treating you as teacher to students. And mistakes are welcome. In fact, this method needs mistakes because mistakes are the syllabus. Mistakes are what tells the teacher what to do. Okay, so find your mouth, and here's mine. Look at this. And could you please say this sound? Say it nice and loud. Yeah, nice and loud. Loud, loud, loud. And high and squeaky, and low and rumbly, like the wind. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's this sound here. Now this one. Say it. High and squeaky, and low, and like the wind. Okay, it's here. And this?